First, we want to lay out the snowflake border. We measured 3.5 inches with a small ruler and used a T-square to make sure we had a straight line. Then, we used blue painter's tape to make the straight border. We repeated this process on each corner. It's important to apply spray adhesive to the stencil so you don't get any bleed. Place the stencil with the spray adhesive side touching the fabric. Tape over the words Merry Christmas. For this stenciling project, we are going to use white jacquard fabric paint. You can get this at cuttingedgestencils.com. Evenly load the paint onto your roller and offload excess paint onto a paper towel. Lightly apply pressure with your white jacquard fabric paint. Most likely, you'll need 2 coats. To connect your snow evenly, flip your second Christmas stencil. Align the similar snow size pattern next to each other for seamless look. To create the perfect corner, tape off any trees or houses that get in the way. Make sure your snow is always connecting. Now it's time for the snowflake border. Start your corner with the biggest snowflake stencil. Then, randomly place your snowflakes, and before you know it, you'll have the perfect Christmas tablecloth.